I bought this car November 4th, 2019. It's a 1971 Plymouth Duster. As you can tell, it's pretty dirty. Sat underneath a walnut tree for most of its life, where it continued to be disgusting at all times. It had a 318 in it. I did some cheapo rattle can spray paint, as you can tell, and then we decided to do a 440 swap, where we realized modification sucks. Ended up purchasing a 360 Magnum from a truck. Got that all washed up and ready to go, as you can see. Did the swap pan, mounts, etc. Decided to keep the EFI, but why put a good looking engine into a car that doesn't look that great? So I decided right there to bite the bullet, started doing body work, got it taped off, ready to go. It was a very fast process, did it very quickly just to get it looking good. Shortly after that, we began the process of the actual paint. We obviously taped everything off, got it primed, layered, body filler where needed, etc., etc. Got that done. Had a really good compressor with a really crappy Harbor Freight gun. It did just fine though. Halfway through the process, clearly it was looking pretty good. We did a single stage enamel with a Nissan blue green. It fits the interior the best, as you'll see in a second. We decided to keep the interior since it was essentially brand new, even though it was the original interior. The whole process within itself only took a couple weeks. We did what we could with the budget we had and what we had for tools and such. I think it came out pretty well. The final product is more than worth it for me. It's not perfect, but neither is the car. As you can tell, it matches the interior quite nicely. We did a hard cut, but other than that, this is the final product with the 360 Magnum, working on the fuel injection now, and the final paint job. Have a good one.